Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Pay and signing in with the account that currently holds your primary payment method. Once signed in, make sure your app is updated. Outdated apps block some settings. Tap Settings, then Payment Methods to view current accounts. You want the new card or bank information at hand because adding it immediately speeds the process and avoids errors. Once done, tap Add Payment Method and follow the prompts to enter card or bank details so Google can verify. Now you add the new payment method and verify it. This step ensures Google links the correct account to your profile. Choose card or bank, type details carefully, and authorize any verification charge or microdeposit that confirms control. If you get a code by SMS or see it in your bank, enter it immediately. Once the method shows verified, pause to review billing address and expiration date. Make sure the name matches your Google account to avoid future declines. With the new method verified, set it as primary so future purchases use it by default. Tap the method and choose Set as Primary. After switching, test with a small purchase or payment request to confirm processing. Make sure receipts show the new account. If successful, you may remove the old method, but only after confirming no subscription ties remain. If something goes wrong, clear the app cache, sign out and back in, and if needed, contact your bank to check for authorization holds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.